Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will work on our cutscene camera. So as you can see, this is our cutscene camera. As you can see, it is facing the forward direction, okay. On the rotation Y it is 270, okay. So now as you can see, it is facing the bus direction, okay. So now what we will do with this camera is actually, let's move this closer to the bus, okay, to this position for example. Then let's double click on it so that we see the camera right here. As you can see, let's move it to a little bit this side, and then in the backward direction, like something right here, okay. Move it right here. That is it, okay. You can, guys, let me tell you that you can just simply animate, or you can say you can direct your own cutscene in any way you like, okay. But I will just tell you how you can direct or animate your camera, okay. Just simply move the camera to that position where you want to start your cutscene, then select the cutscene camera, and as you can see, there is the animator controller. I will remove it, I will add it again, okay. For you guys, just add a animator controller to your cutscene camera, okay. And after adding the animator, then just simply select your timeline or cutscene, click right there, add animation track, then drag and drop your cutscene camera in there. As you can see, here it is, okay. Now what we will do, we will now record our cutscene camera, okay. So we can click on this record button, select the cutscene camera, okay. As you can see, here it is. Now it is on 1.88. so what we will do, let's change into 1.89, okay, and then again change it to 1.88 so that it stays in the same direction, okay. Now as you can see, it has recorded this one transform. Now let's move this further, okay, to this point where the bus stops, okay. And as you can see, the bus is now right there. So what we will do, just simply move the timeline, okay. And when the timeline, in the timeline, when the bus reaches this point, okay, now let's move our camera to this position as well. So as you can see, there is our camera. Now what we will do, we will move it to this position where the bus stops, okay, right here, okay, to some position like this. Okay, so this will be the ending point for this camera. As you can see, this is the start, this is the end, okay. Now if we try to save this, okay, stop the recording, save it, and then let's play the game. Actually, let's play it from the start, okay. So as you can see, this will be our scene, okay. You can actually click on the game view and it will show like this. In our cutscene, we will be removing all of this UI, but for now just focus up on the cutscene. As you can see, the camera will follow the bus like this. As you can see, when it reaches this position, they will then start walking, and now from this way further we can just now animate our camera even more. So just stop the game, change back to scene view. As you can see, there is our camera. Now we want to move this camera closer to this characters, okay, in order to capture their dialogues. So right here, as you can see, the camera stops, okay, and the character are now walking. Now we are now ready to animate this even more further, okay. As you can see right here, they start talking. So what we will do, right here, we can just rotate this camera, for example, to this position, okay, and then move this camera further right there, okay. For example, if we rotate it like this, okay, first we will show they are walking, and when they reaches this point, okay, and when they start talking, so before they start talking, we will move the camera further in that direction, okay. So now if we select our cut scene camera, okay, there it is, okay, right here it will stop. Then if we select the cutscene camera, okay, it is right there for now. But now if we select our cutscene, then let's click on record. Okay, so now you can see it is recording if we select our cutscene camera. So there it is. As I told you, when they start walking, we will show their walk, okay, to this point. So now what we can do with the camera is simply move this to right here, okay, and then let's click on this rotate tool and let's rotate our camera to this position, okay. Now if we stop the recording, let's see how does it looks. So there is the bus. As you can see now, it looks fine, I think. Okay, now after this point we will move this camera further closer to them, so we can just simply click on record again, and then let's move this camera to, for example, this position, okay, and then in this way they will start their dialogues. So now let's move this right here again from the start, and let's play it from the start and see how does it looks.
Hey, what's in the bag? Show it to me.
It's none of your business.
Just give us the bag or we will shoot you right here, right now.
Okay, okay. Please don't shoot.
Okay, so in this way our whole scene will work, okay, as you saw it. Now guys, what we want to do is whenever this bus reaches this point, okay, right here, as you know that it shows the player already standing right there, okay, and actually we don't want that, okay. We want that when the bus passes this point, okay, then after this point we will show the player, okay, and then the whole scene will just simply continue like this, okay. And also we don't want to show this player UI in our cutscene. So in order to fix all of this issue, we need a script for this now. So in the next video we will type a script for our cutscene. So see you guys in the next one.